After Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that 50 generators will be loaned to small businesses, Jamaicans are outraged. These generators were donated to help the people, not to be held hostage by government bureaucracy. The people are calling it out. Enough is enough. So after all that suffering from Hurricane Melissa, after the world watched Jamaica drown and struggle, and donors stepped in to help, Andrew Holness is now talking about lending what was donated for free to the Jamaican people? That's not leadership. That's suppression. Andrew Holness is suppressing the people of Jamaica. Is this what he meant when he said choose Jamaica? Because clearly he didn't mean choose the people. He meant choose his pockets. The man is a wolf in disguise, smiling for the cameras while pulling the strings behind closed doors. The man is sick in his head, fully mental, a madman running the country while the people are crying out, "We want generator." Generators that were donated to the people, not to the government to loan out like they own it. It's pure wickedness. And to all the overseas donors listening, stop gifting Andrew Holness or his administration any aid. Take it straight to the people, or send it to reputable charity organizations that actually care. Because under this government, everything meant for the people ends up being politicized, delayed, or hijacked for photo ops. We see what's going on. The people are tired, and Jamaica deserves leaders, not loan sharks. So Mr. Holness, you can fool some people sometime, but not all the time. The people are wide awake now. Loner lies. Andrew Holness, a wolf in disguise. Stop giving him aid. So hear me now, Jamaica. This is not about politics. This is about people's survival. We can't keep letting one man play God with the nation's pain. The people of Jamaica are not beggars. We are builders. We don't need loans for what was gifted to us. We need justice, transparency, and respect. So keep your eyes open, keep your voices loud, and keep demanding the truth. Because silence helps the wicked, and the time for silence is over. This is Mishi Commentary, where we speak truth to power, and we're not easing up anytime soon. Remember, when we report, we reason, and we rise. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more pressing stories.